I personally think that part of like the commitment of shooting in natural light is just being able to adapt. So, I mean, I mentioned earlier that I don't usually reschedule. So you can plan and plan, and you might like be hoping for this particular session to have golden light, but a lot of times it's just difficult for families to reschedule. I do love just like really beautiful golden light, or like just after the sun is like, you know, just about to dip, and you have opposite of you that pastel sky, and you can have them facing the sun, and it's not too orangey anymore because it's basically gone. That's so beautiful. But I know some people I've heard reschedule because they really like they have to have the golden light every time, and it just comes down to personal styles. Learning to shoot in natural light almost exclusively, you just kind of push through the unexpected, and you might have wanted that golden glow, but you get there and it's foggy, and you have this beautiful, dreamy, diffuse light that you didn't plan on, but it's still amazing.